All right, guys, we got a '07 Trailblazer. We're gonna get right to the point here. We've got manual temperature controls on this one. It was only working on 1 and 5. That's gonna let you know it's the blower motor resistor that's bad. This one's all cracked up, rusty as heck. All right, so you're gonna want to take this black cover off that sits right here. You got two 7mm bolts there and there. Then it snaps off. And then there's gonna be 3 wiring harnesses that are plugged in here with a Christmas tree clips. I just used these little things to take those clips off. Easy, they popped out. And now we're going up underneath. You're gonna see your box for your blower motor right here. And then behind it, right here, is where your blower motor resistor sits. It's plugged in with a 1 clip. Here it is right here. Clip, it's on the back side, so it's hard to get to with your finger. You might want to just take the resistor out first and then unclip it. And this is what it looks like. It's got this wiring harness on it. That's where it clips in, then this wiring harness. That wiring harness goes on your blower motor. It's pretty easy to get to it. If you open up the glove box and you squeeze these tabs in, you can lower the glove box all the way down, and there's the harness to take out of the blower motor. All right, so now all we got to do is grab our new part, make sure that it looks the same. It does. And we just got to put those 2 bolts right back up, put it back up in there, put those 2 bolts in, plug in our wiring harness, then wrap the other wire around, plug it back into the blower motor right there. So it's really easy. The 2 bolts on the blower motor resistor were 5.5 mil. So this is all the tools I used right here. That's it. 5.5 mil, 7 mil, little extender to get up in there easy. You don't need one of these tools. You can use a ratchet if you want, but having an air ratchet helps out a lot. Pretty simple job. Blower motor resistor.